I mean, Centricity has few reasons to buy. Number one was the optimizing resources. First of all, there's a thing called affordability at the cost of quality is a big myth. First of all, you have to make the standards. Once you meet the standards, then you go for the cost effectiveness. Same thing was a reason for me to buy the Centricity in our unit. It is not easy to hire and produce very high quality nurse at a drop of a hat. For that, it takes time. And suddenly, if you have a surge in ICU patient, what do? Do you compromise on the standards or you deny? Both things are bad for revenue and the patient. So in that situation, Centricity came very handy. What we did, by taking away the unnecessary work of charting, which is not only unglamorous, which is not adding to the patient care in first place, we have given a free time for our nurses to do better patient care, not just by charting. See, given in India there's not very high quality ICU nurses available, I would say it should become a standard of care again. Not only because it make it easy, it gives us a very rich data which we can use for our research, for our machine learning, for our AI in future, which enables us to create the data. Point of care, pretty much all the diagnostic, in ICU, speed is everything. I cannot wait for hours and days to get my results, and that's why to complement my practice, I certainly would like to have most of my investigations and tools to be point of care and they should be independent of the experts, and that we intensivists can use more and more point of care testing. AI has a huge role to play in future. It helps in few ways. Number one, all the time it is very difficult to have an expert to do very precise measurement on suppose an ultrasound. By having an AI tool which is independent of operator skills, it makes a huge sense to get a more reliable data. So having the AI tool in the system will certainly make data more reliable, and a junior can also use it a bit more effectively. Number two, by having AI more there, it increases the speed and it make me independent of experts. Suppose at 2 o'clock in the night, I cannot get a radiologist, but I can have an AI tool which gives me more precise information.